Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain how the whitelist system works inside AuthVaultix. To demonstrate this feature, I will first blacklist my account and then show how the whitelist can override that restriction. Let's start with a simple example. I already have tamper protection enabled in my application. When I open Cheat Engine and then log into the application, the anti-tamper system detects the process and reports it to AuthVaultix. As a result, my account is automatically blacklisted. Now, if I try to log in again, the authentication request will be denied because the account is on the blacklist. This is where the whitelist system becomes useful. Open the whitelist function, then based on your configuration, add the allowed HWID, IP address or other entries. Once a user is added to the whitelist, AuthVaultix allows that user to access the application even if certain restrictions would normally block access. Now let's test it. I will try to log in again using the same account. This time the login is successful because the account has been added to the whitelist. The whitelist system is very useful for developers, testers, administrators, and trusted users who need access during testing or special situations. It gives you greater control over application access, and everything can be managed directly from the AuthVaultix dashboard. For more information, visit authvaultix.com. Thanks for watching.